Hello and welcome to the channel. Today a new adventure. We begin to do this. One of the things that I like most in my life is having hike in the mountains. And I used to go in the Dolomites. One day I was walking with my wife, my family, two little children, in this wonderful wood along a river with this wonderful soft and warm rocks and a wonderful color, pines, blue sky, rocks, the river, the sound of the water, and after a curve of the street, of the way, of the path, suddenly it appears big as the road, a wonderful Mercedes Unimog. It was light green and gray light green with other fenders in green, dark green. Wonderful. I wanted, and now I want to do this. So I bought this one from Tamiya. It's an old box, not new. And also I found a paint, this one. Here you can't see exactly, but it's very near. This is not a paint for a spray for Lexan. This is nitro spray. And I make some trial on Lexan. It goes pretty good. So we can do this in light green. What's inside the box? Let's take a very quick view. We have inside the box bearings. This I bought apart. The green lights, we can put LED, engine mount, front axle, the ESC, tires, quite hard. This is not a proper rock roller. Bumpers, front and rear bumpers and other pieces. The body is very nice. Oh, we will start from the body. Between body and frame and mechanics, I prefer to do mechanics. So I make first the body. You have to cut, to wash, to grind, to mask, and perhaps wash again. It's a long work, but somebody has to do. These are other body parts, fuel tank, side parts I think, rims, I have to paint them, transmission, all plastic gears, very large. That's good. The usual bag with all the metallic parts and the engine too. Yes, well, we don't need a very powerful engine. This is the front unreal bumper, parts. Shock absorbers. Herein, I think, and they have to be hydraulic shock absorbers. Yes, there's the oil. Okay, we have hydraulic shock absorbers. These are body parts and the frame. It is the first time I do this kind of frame. Nice, the inner fenders. It adds realistic. Then papers, how to connect. Is this the IC? Oh no, this is the LED. I can't believe it. I have LED Now unit. No, I can't believe it. It is a gift. Oh yes, here it is. No, wonderful. This unit alone costs a lot, and they have put it here for LEDs. Supports. Fantastic. Oh, I want to begin the work. I absolutely want, and herein instructions. As usual, Tamiya makes the best instructions. Stickers. Not so many. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Wipers in the stickers. Perhaps I will do by myself. Some little modification. We will think about. First of all, the body. We have green, black for the body, green, black, and white, and this kind of green. By now it is all. We begin for the body preparation. Comments, like, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. After thousand of body, I had the idea, and I'm surprised of my mind. I've made a line along the cutting edge. This is a very great improvement, and I'm very proud of my mind. Even if I'm a little bit old, brain works. So, start cutting. Now it's more easy. The first cut is done, and now we have to finish this part as well as we can. These pieces are very useful. It's very good material. Don't throw them away. So, start finishing. And now this. And this is one. This is for the paint, to check if the paint grips well. Let it dry.